Hey guys, just keeping it simple with the Parkers. I'm out on the deck. Listen, I hope you can hear it. It's evening, it's starting to cool down. I love the night sounds like that. I know some of it's because we live on you with that pond there, but I just love the night sounds. Listen to this breeze. This time of year is my favorite time. It's comfortable, the temperature's comfortable. I know the leaves are changing and it won't be long they'll fall, but the trees will be bare. But for now, this is my favorite time of year. Look at the yellows. Beautiful. Look at this tree. It's got reds, beautiful red colors. Listen to the breeze. I hope you can hear that. You can see it moving. I just think that's so cool. Yeah, this is my favorite time. I hope you're able to get out and enjoy it. If not, then I hope you can watch this and enjoy it a little bit. I know some people can't get out, so I hope me bringing you this will help you a little bit. That's the pond. Every now and then I see something down there. I'm not sure what, but this weekend I'm going to check that out. Well, I hope you're having a great afternoon. Hope you enjoy just seeing the views. We really enjoy visiting with you. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. And come back and visit us. Keeping it simple with the Parkers.